Good morning, and I have a lot going on in the kitchen. Usually my mornings start with me feeding Claire, changing her diaper, and getting her ready to play by herself for a little bit so that I can make some breakfast. And at the moment I have a lot going on in the kitchen because I'm trying to get me some breakfast, my matcha. After breakfast I'm gonna do some Mexican rice so that I can go with the enchiladas, with the mole enchiladas that I did yesterday. Right now I'm just preparing what I need for the tofu, which is gonna be onion. I'm gonna put some garlic and a couple of tomatoes. I usually use 2 tomatoes per pack. If I do half, then I just use 1 tomato, but I just want to get it over with so I don't have to cook it because it would last me for a little while. Hi, good morning. She's been like obsessed with these organic little crunchies. It's white bean hummus. Breakfast is ready. This kid rushes me to have breakfast, and in the end she didn't want to go to sleep. Instead, she wanted to play. I didn't even enjoy my breakfast. Well, I guess that gives me time to pick up the mess. My matcha never lasts. Yeah, she had half of the banana. Got to put them in a Ziploc bag. A little avocado left. All these in the fridge. so far the counters are clean. The stove is pretty good. I just have some of the stuff sitting out so that I can make that rice whenever I have the time. No more dishes. They're put up. I had a workout just putting her on. So I finally finished cleaning the floor, and I think baby's finally sleeping. Whenever my husband woke up, he was able to help me hold her so that I could finish the floor. It was long overdue. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next vlog.